Today on Misty Gebhart's birthday, her mother wants answers about how Gebhart died and why, and when, if ever, someone will be held to account. ABC 21's Jeff Newmeyer tells us the emotions are still very raw.
I feel like I'm in a cloud, in a daze, wondering what could I have done to save her? But there's nothing I could have done.
Kim was uneasy about using her full name. Her daughter, 31-year-old Misty Gebhart, died November 23, 2018, inside a home in the 600 block of Riverside Avenue where she lived with her boyfriend. The cause of death, a gunshot to the head. But nearly 15 months later, the coroner's office still hasn't ruled whether it was a homicide, suicide, or accident.
And I'm stuck here because nobody's willing to take it any farther.
The group Java, which fights for family members of crime victims, posted flyers this week on the street where Gebhart died, paying tribute to the woman who herself was a mother of 3 children.
This story, not really like a normal unsolved homicide. Police know the people involved. The question is, was a crime committed? And if so, can authorities prove it?
City police were called to the home that night to deal with a disturbance. The boyfriend was present, and we understand some of his family. Gebhart's mother claims the boyfriend later apologized, but other than the fact Gebhart died from a bullet wound to the head, she can't know for sure what went wrong. We're not naming the boyfriend. Kim has pressed a member of the Allen County prosecutor's staff about the possibility of charges being filed.
Wouldn't answer any of my questions.
A spokesperson for the prosecutor's office telling me, we've reviewed the case, but right now there is insufficient evidence to bring charges. That office, however, saying the case is not closed. The waiting can be excruciating.
She's just not the same Kimmy that I knew her before. This is haunting.
Both women roll over in their minds questions like, whose fingerprints were on the trigger? Will prosecutors ever take the case to trial? For now, there are no clear answers, but this we know, Gebhart is gone, but not forgotten. Jeff Newmeyer, ABC 21.
Misty Gebhart was born on Valentine's Day, 1987.